The situation in New York City underscores the danger and the stupidity of Mayor Michael Bloomberg's psychotic anti-gun policy. On Saturday evening, authorities had to lead thousands of innocent people out of Times Square. This came on the heels of the threat posed to New Yorkers and to others by the discovery of an SUV loaded with explosives. The threat of terrorist attack is a fact of life in early 21st century America. Federal authorities have warned repeatedly about the probability of such attacks. This is especially true in large metropolitan areas. Terrorist attacks can take several different forms. Innocent civilians generally do not know where or when such terrorist attacks may occur. Given this state of affairs, it is absolutely imbecilic for governments to disarm citizens or to promote policies which foster or even mandate civilian disarmament. Yet, that is what Mad Mike and his knuckle-headed mayoral associates are trying to do with their National Mayors Against Illegal Guns campaign. What public officials ought to be doing is promoting policies which will allow the carrying of handguns by law-abiding citizens. That way, innocent people may have some chance of protecting themselves and others from terrorists, criminals, or other nutcakes. Most states already allow some sort of civilian carry of firearms, of concealed firearms. What we need now is national reciprocity for general recognition of permits to carry concealed handguns issued by states. Mad Mike and politicians like him should take a hike. It's time for the people to dump them.